Hello guys, I am Bhaswata and I will be teaching you 2D animation in Adobe Animate. This is tutorial 1, episode 0 of season 1. Let's start. Well, this course have 12 tutorials initially. After completing them, playlist will get updated with new features of Animate. Gradually they come. That is, if a new version is available, then I will be teaching you that too, but only the updated part. That is maybe some new tools or some styles or some other feature. You will get workflow videos, tips, and a perfect structure to how to be organized in 2D animation sector. And you will also learn that how to make a movie starting from the pre-production, production and publishing, and you will also learn how to promote your videos. So let's start. In tutorial 1 of season 1, there are 5 episodes, all about basic knowledge of software. At the end, you will learn to make simple motion animations of very basic level, but you can explore more by yourself. In tutorial 2 of season 1, there are 7 episodes, but they will deal with graphics and text. This will be a basic stage of using Animate. In tutorial 3 and 4, you will learn animating symbols and motion twinning. In tutorial 4, your basic course ends. Then tutorial 5 to tutorial 11, that will be an intermediate course. Topics you will see as the video comes. And tutorial 12 onward, those videos will be called as advanced courses. Cause it is not the tools which makes you better, it is the tips which makes. Well, now you got a brief of the course. Episode 0 ends here. Meet you at tutorial 1, episode 1. Goodbye. By the way, please check the description box below.